Yanique is having a pre-opening event at her restaurant today and is Spice in the hospital. Stick around for full details on these stories coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Yes, people, so Spice uploaded this pic and she didn't put any caption on it, which led people to start assume, she was in the hospital. Although some people are say it's a music video. But me I go tell you now what I go, and plus she upload a second picture with a caption, with a explanation, I guess, or I don't know what to call it, but me I go tell you now what she say, right? But before we get into all that, people, I want to talk about Yanique. So the other day I did a video and I told you that Yanique is opening a restaurant, Dining with Curvy, right? So today now, Yanique is opening before the grand opening. The grand opening is going to be on February 14th, on Valentine's Day. So I have a little video with her. I explain what she had done today. So I'm going to play that for you so you can hear what she has said. Here goes.
Hi guys, I'm Yanique Curvy Diva and it's all about Dining with Curvy. Yes, we're having a grand opening on February 14th, Valentine's Day. So I'm not all excited about that. But in between time, meantime, we have something called Taste of What's to Come. So I know I'm excited and I want to try the food. I'm ready for it. Ready. So on February 3rd, yes, we're gonna have something special for you guys. A lunch special, barbecue pixies, salmon, all of these things. So we know I want to try something. So I'm going to give you that taste of what's to come from Dining with Curvy. Until then, when the launch, February 14th. So I'm excited. Can't wait. Make sure to order. The chefs are ready. I am ready to serve you guys. Love you.
So proud of her. Big up yourself, Yanique. So people, if you want more information on Dining with Curvy, there's an Instagram page, and it's at Dining with Curvy. So you can check it out. Or you can go up on Yanique page and find a link to it if that's too much of a trouble to type in. Right? So people, like me say, Spice uploaded the picture and people are say, Spice pull stunt all the time. People are look on the nurse and I said the nurse finger well done and makeup the on fleek and all kind of thing. So it look like Spice pull one another stunt. Right? So when you see the picture, then I want to know what you think. When you tell me what you think down in the comment section. Now I'm telling you she did upload another photo. With the another photo where she upload, she did say something. But I got to save that for the end of the video, right? So if you want to hear what Spice say, I go and watch all the way to the end of the video, right? But people, I have an artist where I believe in the artist here because the artist preach a good message. You see me? The artist is named Glamaton, and this is a mediocre artist. Right now, the artist here perform on stage with Beanie Man. So I'm going to show them the clip there, and then I have a song for review for him. And I'm telling the people a real thing, and a joke artist, alright? So take a look at this clip. Glamaton and Beanie Man on stage. Here goes.
Your friend tried to give me a bite. Some of them is a stop. Is a who you want that? I couldn't want the career. I read from the top. I did not put food in the them thing a different way from everybody. If you didn't talk, we make so lyrically. So when you hear me attack, if you don't understand that no means it, we are not around. I don't say style where we have a clear man song. So we want the whole world try understand. We don't try to get it right and not get it wrong. Don't let me explain to the rest of the nation. For example, there's some for the station. And it appear all over the nation. Every country to hear and say, Jesus peace, Glamaton and mash up the whole nation. That no mean the DJ and don't turn me wrong. I don't say I get fully for association. I don't say
yeah, people, so this is the artists have stage presence and the artists know what I do. Some have a song for review for him and the song named Nuh Badmind Artiste, and we are going to get into the song. Alright, so let's get right into that.
what am I trying to do? Mash down the music. Music are we live. And we not lose it. Love it. Anyway, the bag of bad mind thing with them dip on. Why them can't live loving, man? Why them a war and want bring in gun? Let me tell you something. Me no inna this business, so bad mind or envy nobody. Me rate bounty kill I'm over the one I D. But the world know, Beanie and me daddy. A reggae music man I study.
So no hear what the artist say people, a Beanie I'm daddy. I wanna just see my perform on stage with Beanie Man. So I know say I'm not running thing. You saw what me I say it's a legit connection that right there so. Right? So people, the man I say, he want to see unity in the business. Now me post something in my YouTube community section and me ask, what want to see more in the business? More interviews, more dub plate, more remix, more collaboration. And to my surprise, people I say a unity. That was like the most common thing me see.
Me know in this business, so bad mind or envy nobody. Me rate bounty kill I'm over the one I D. But the world know, Beanie and me daddy. A reggae music man I study. Big up Sizzler, they done da down. Big up Bujo, Teflon me brother. Big up E, what you don't know the thing go. Big up Popcorn.
Him say big up Popcorn, and yesterday me see Popcorn sing a song and him a big up Bolt. Now no know say Popcorn did say something about Bolt song when Bolt sing him song last month. But Papi now will no grudge. And that me call unity people. Let's hear who Glamaton a big up again.
Alkaline can lay down. Big up the female, them way I treat too. Big up in this jacket, them in the street too. Make we put the bad mind under we feet now. Cause you know see how reggae music sweet. Me know in this business, so bad mind or envy nobody. Me rate bounty kill I'm over the one I D. But the world know, Beanie and me daddy. A reggae music man I study.
People, me feel like say the business I get better because you have some new type of artists when I really group up and segregate themselves. I mean I talk about artists like Chanel Muir, I talk about artists like Cranium and Quadra them, and we talk about like Kemar Icon. You see them people up on live are reason with one another all the time. And sooner or later, the whole industry are gonna stay like that. And at that Glamaton I talk about. So let's get into the second verse and hear what Glamaton say. Here goes.
When reggae music say fi fun, it never say fi gun. So why some youth a try fi put it under the ground? Dance also with fi par, it never say fi war. So why some of the youth them a take it too far? As the youth them have a clash, them no take it lyrically. You don't see the youth them a take it fi.
Hold on the people, no hear what the man just say. The man say the youth them nowadays when them have clash, them not take it lyrically, them not take it physically. People, and that is the problem. That is one of the biggest problems in the industry. Clashing is a part of our culture. It's always been something where we enjoy as fans. But nowadays we can't have no clash because the man them really want for war. So talk to them again here, Glamaton.
All I tell them one another bad things about them mommy, but bad mind thing them fi stop it. Me know inna this business, so bad mind or envy nobody. Me rate bounty kill I'm over the one I D. But the world know, Beanie and me daddy. A reggae music man I study.
People, me I go show no how the artist versatile and can't run out the lyrics. The man have a third verse, people. When you know them nowadays artists are them sing the first verse and repeat it as the second verse and put the chorus 3-4 times in the song. Listen third verse.
When reggae music come me life, me love it like my wife. Me love it more than chicken, the peas with the rice. Some family and friends try to give me a fight. Some a tell me say stop, me say who you a chat. I couldn't win me career and reach to the top. I eat up with food, in the future, in the pot. So tell them go and talk, and tell them go and chat. Cause reggae music cannot stop. Me know in this business, so bad mind not envy nobody.
People, I really enjoy reviewing this song. You saw me I said the artist named Glamaton and the song named Nuh Badmind Artiste. I'm going to put the link to the song and to all I'm social media accounts them so you can follow him career. People, if you don't know me, I want to listen to my thing. You know I always try to put a positive spin to everything. And at that I preach positivity. I'ma rate that. So big up Glamaton one more time. Now people, let's get right back into what Spice says. So I'm gonna tell you what Spice say when she upload the picture them, right? Or the one picture, the second picture. My bad, because she upload the first one with no caption. Everybody has a music video. Everybody has a Spice run stunt. You see what I say? She upload the second one and this is what she said. She said, promise myself I will never ever get another liposuction. The after pain is not my style and I can't bandage up myself cause I'm claustrophobic. Right? So people, I don't know if it's for real. She get a liposuction in her hand or whatever. You know what I mean? I don't know what she doing. But we will see. Cause we know a Spice. And another thing I want to ask people. When time the artists them run stunt pa uno feel like, no feel no way, how no feel? Uno no mind it or uno feel like them a deceive you, a mislead you, and them for stop it. More want to tell me that in the comment section. And also I want to extend the question from a community section. What you want to see in a dancehall for 2021? More what? More interviews, more collabs, more album, you know what I mean? More unity like what everybody has say and like what Glamaton has say. You see me I say, because that is a big thing, you know. I want to say you want to see more unity and more interviews. You can mix it up. You just tell me down in the comment section. 2021 dancehall, what you want to see. And people, I want to give me a feedback on Glamaton tune and how me deliver it to you. If you don't like it, you see what I say? Big up Glamaton, good artist. You see what I say, people? So people, me gonna leave it right there. So that's the end of today's video. And if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. Do the right thing. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.